This linear guide rail is designed in a compact, low-profile format, making it optimal for environments that require cleanliness and are subject to harsh conditions, including wide temperature ranges and heavy particulates. The UGA model features a 24mm height linear slide rail, perfect for installations in tight spaces where traditional linear rails cannot fit. Equipped with a self-lubricating FrelonGOLD liner, these linear guide rails offer low wear, high load capacities, and maintenance-free operation, ensuring long-term reliability. The angled design of the linear guide rail allows for optimal washdown capabilities, preventing the buildup of particulates and chemicals, suitable for clean rooms and washdown environments. The hard coat anodized rail prevents contaminants from adhering, making the linear rail system ideal for environments like food processing where cleanliness is vital.